Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today we're unboxing this item from Bestope, Beauty Your World. And the reason why I got this was my wife was at the mall and they had one of those booths in the center, the kiosk, and they were doing this to people walking by, and they did it to my daughter and she loved it. So I went ahead and purchased one of these because I figured it had to be a little cheaper on Amazon versus the mall kiosk. And here we go. It is a 6-in-1 professional curling wand. Here's the unboxing. A little magnetic lid here. That's pretty cute. The box itself is, you can tell they try to make it look nice. I don't think it's, pleasing looking, but, that's just me. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Is that crazy looking? Alright, so we have the typical random wand. So it's big to small. You have more of a loopy loop. Okay, I hope it comes with instructions here. Let's see. Pull the bottom out here. And here's a nice glove, because this thing does get very, very hot. So it's supposed to be, I assume, a heat-resistant gloves. Kind of thin, but I'm sure it'll do its job. Comes with these crazy looking hair clips. 1, 2. And as you can see, all these newer items, they come with this nice 360 pivoting wire cord. So you just don't get that tangle anymore. I love that. That's a cool feature. Okay. Here's the instruction manual. Okay, so starting here, we got the barrel. Oh, okay, I thought it was going to tell us what each of them were. Okay, it kind of does. It says 25 to 13 millimeter core up here. I guess this is just straight called the barrel. 19, 25. Okay, so it's just different sizes. I thought they would give it more of a little cool name on it. I remember on the website it kind of shows examples of type of curls you would kind of get from it. Okay, spoke too soon. So here we go with the little, what they call the barrel. I was gonna call that, I don't know what I would call that. It's the fat circles. The sphere ones. Anyway, so that does a very, very, very tight curl, as you can see. So let's see what else would show every single one. No, it does not. And there we go. We're in a different language. So okay, well that's all you get. Textured wave. Okay. I'm sorry. I guess I should have pulled up the. Well, yes, I'll go ahead and do that. Just bear with me real quick and I'll just pull it up and let's see what examples I remembered from the website here. Curler. And of course it doesn't pull up now. Oh, curling. Sorry, I googled the wrong. Basically, I'm just trying to pull up my order. And from my order, I will be able to pull up the website, okay? So, Bestope. Okay, here we go. So, here we go. 6-inch changeable head, 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch. Rose gold curler. This is a nice, cool color, huh? So, as you can see, at the time of this video posting, it is almost $49. Here we go. See? Here's an example that picture that they should include. But so you have the curl, you have the fat curl, and of course, different medium to small curl. But at least now you can see the difference, right? So what they did for mine is, I'm sure she had the 1 1/2 inch because she had nice wavy hair. It looked really cool. And oh yeah, here's a better example here. So her hair looked like this when she came home, and I was like, man, that looks pretty cool. But as you can see, depending on the heads, and here's, man, it's pretty crazy. So I'm assuming that's probably this little bubble tool right here that did this. Either that or this. I'm assuming this. Unless this is that real small one. I don't know. Yeah, it had to be the small one. No, it's probably this one. Alright. So as you can see, it does like a very nice constant temperature. And that's what you want whenever you're working with your hair. See, so so this is really important here. Depending on the type of hair that you have, is the temperature that you want, so you don't burn your hair, right? So make sure you pause, zoom, and think about what type of hair you have right now. For me, I have delicate to thin hair, so that'll be me over here at the 250 mark. But for those people with real thick or coarse hair, you can ramp up that temperature to get your curls in. And as you can see, it has a nice LED display here, and here's the increase and decrease in the temperature, and of course the power button. There's no point in me turning it on now because it probably won't even function, and I just want to be holding this during the video and burn my hand. So I'm just going to show you right here. And as you can see, it's just a simple plug-in and twist. And of course, if you're just using it, then make sure you wear the glove. But there it is, I don't think there's too much else to this. I don't know if they use like avoid barrel seamlessly locking. To avoid poor power contact, press the barrel to make it seamless. So in other words, push that thing in, make sure it has a nice connection, or you won't get the correct heat, wattage, blah blah blah, and it just won't work well. So this doesn't give you any cool razzle-dazzle words like ionic or anything. Well, it does have the ceramic wording, right? Ceramic, Tourmaline technology. Everyone loves using ceramic and ionic and negative isotopes. But yeah, I think that's about it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Yeah, just make sure you might just have to print out these pictures so you kind of understand what each barrel will provide, because this one actually shows you picture of what you'll get. And yeah, there you go, the inch to 1 inch cone, half inch to 1 inch cone. It does do that super curl, tapered barrel. And I mean, overall the albums all look the same except for this 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch. Again, remember, make sure you push it in for a tight seal in order for this to work properly. And obviously they bolted it earlier, so I guess a lot of customers complain. So just kind of double check your connection, push it in extra tight, and then twist to lock. All right. Other than that, I think that's it. I actually have others like the heat one. Oh wow, it comes with a cool. So all these are multiple heads. Mine is only a single head. Blow dryer kind of straightening thing. But that's cool. All right, I think that's it about this product. Again, it's about $49 at the time. And you can see all the different type of curls, and look how nice that looks on camera. So this would be a nice gift to anyone. Of course, your wife, whoever, would totally love these. My wife and daughters would love this because I'm sure they'll start using it as soon as I bring it downstairs for them to look at it. So let's go ahead and put this back in the box, make it look pretty before they destroy it. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty impressive, right? When you open it up and you see all these different barrels. Yeah, it's kind of cool, huh? It's nice and cold metal, but I don't know, maybe it's aluminum with the ceramic coating on top. But yeah, that's it. And here you go. Each of them will have their own little arrow where you line up. And see, those are screws, but make sure you line up the arrow. And let's see. So I assume there's no arrow here, so I assume you stick it in. Well, let's just go ahead and do it on camera real quick. This is a little confusing here. So where's the arrow? Come on, there's the arrow. Yeah, and you can see it right away. It just slides in. See how this is right here. So you just kind of rotate a little bit, and nothing will even matter until you get that lined up arrow and just kind of pops in. See? So you see that little wiggle right there? Push it in. Switch over to the locking. Can I do it one-handed? Two-handed? Yeah, okay. Two-handed for sure. And there you go. Now it's locked in place, and that does feel nice, snug, and secure. And then just take it out. You just rotate there, and bloop. Easy breezy. So I think the function of this seems very, very easy. And again, make sure you're wearing your gloves whenever you take this off after you're using it, because you will burn your hand. Alright? And I'll let you know how the gloves feel. I doubt the gloves will keep your hands that cool from this heat, because I'm sure this will feel pretty nice and hot by the time it gets up there. Even at 250, I'm assuming it'll be really hot to the touch, even with the glove. But, you know, just leave a comment below if you actually get curious and want to know, and I'll let you know. Other than that, I'll leave this to my wife for her to test. Again, this is from Bestope, Beauty Your World, 6-in-1 professional curling wand. All right. Oh, well, there's oh here. Sorry about that. If you want to pause so you can see the instructions. So what is this telling me here? This is Berlin, Germany? So it's shipped from there, but it's manufactured in China. And you can get it on Alibaba. Huh. So they bought it from Alibaba, which it was made in China, Guangdong, China, and then they shipped it to Germany, and then from Germany they shipped it to the U.S. to Amazon, or maybe just the company is supposedly in Germany, just so they put the German Berlin German name on the box. Anyways, that's a cool fun fact. But as you can see, there's a cute box, nice magnetic close. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you really like, because that really helps my videos gets known with the YouTube algorithms. Alright? I'll leave it there.